Discuss the advantages of incorporating regular physical activities, such as walking, into our daily routines. Include examples and reasons for your views.
Walking is an essential activity that contributes significantly to our physical and mental well-being. In today's fast-paced world, many individuals rush headlong into their daily routines, neglecting the simple yet profound benefits of going for a walk. Engaging in activities like taking a stroll or going for a run can enhance our mood and improve our overall health. For instance, a brisk walk or a leisurely stroll can provide a refreshing break from our hectic schedules. When we walked briskly through the park, we not only exercised our bodies but also cleared our minds, allowing us to reflect on our thoughts. The act of walking can also be a time for social interaction. We often run into people from different walks of life, fostering connections that enrich our experiences. Moreover, walking serves as a metaphor for life itself. Just as we take steps toward our goals, we sometimes face obstacles. When we encounter challenges, such as running up against some opposition, it is crucial to stride confidently and keep moving forward. Individuals may get off on the wrong foot at times, but with perseverance, they can make great strides toward success. In conclusion, incorporating walking into our daily routines is vital for our health and personal development. Whether it is a gentle walk or a vigorous run, the benefits of walking are undeniable. By taking these simple steps, we can lead healthier, happier lives.
Thank you for watching. Please give us like, share, comment, and subscribe for more useful videos. Bye.